Hi guys, welcome to Desi Virus. So, recently I bought a new phone which is Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Actually, I was setting my fingerprint. So, what happened that I set my fingerprint to unlock my mobile phone. And I was looking for the pattern search in this phone. I was not able to find it. Just give me that I can enter my PIN, or I can enter password, or I can use the fingerprint. But the thing is, I need to use the pattern to unlock. Now, as you can see, I can only unlock it with the fingerprint. I'll just increase the brightness for you. Okay, or else when I lock the screen and when I open, I swipe up, it asks me to enter the password, right? But the thing is, many people, they don't know how to set the pattern in your Huawei Mate 20, Mate 20 Pro, or Mate 10 or Mate 10 Pro. Basically, in any Huawei phone which is EMUI higher than 9 and 9 plus, like 10, 9 or 10. Okay, so friends, this is the way how we do it. We will just go to settings. Okay, here in the setting, you will scroll down. We have biometric and passwords. We will click biometrics and passwords. Here, see, we can change lock screen password, or else we can just disable, or we can change it. So now I need to make only the pattern. So I will click on the change lock screen password. Because I have set the pin, it is asking me for the older pin. I will enter 1 2 3 4 5 6, which was my previous pin. So see, now it is asking me to set a new pin number or new password, but I don't want this one. So what I am going to do is change unlock method. I will click on change unlock method, and here now we can see now we can enter the 4-digit pin, or else custom pin which is 6-digit, or we can use the pattern, or we can use the alphanumeric password. So I just need the pattern, so I'll click on pattern. Now see, it is asking me to enter the pattern. So I will draw a pattern and I'll click done. So see, now if I lock the screen and I unlock it, swipe up, it will ask me to unlock with the pattern. So this is the way how we can use different types of password. And on the top in the biometric, you can see that you can have the fingerprints. You have to set the fingerprints, and you can use both the ways at one time. Either you can use fingerprint, sometimes your hands are dirty, so your phone does not detect your fingerprint, so you can use the pattern. For me, the pattern unlock is much more easier than the password or the pin. It is very difficult for me to remember. So friends, I was just facing difficulty. I know it will be a very normal thing for many of the people, but I hope some of the people would definitely get benefited with this video. So guys, take care and stay tuned to my channel, which is Desi Virus, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and comment below and tell me what more things I can tell you about the new phone which I have bought, which is Huawei Mate 20 Pro. If you want to know any tips and tricks, just ask me. If you have any questions, ask me. Still I am using, it is 2 weeks I have been using this mobile. So guys, take care and bye.